Wanted a video doorbell for my house for so long, but they're so expensive. So I bought this one instead, and I'm gonna let you know if it's worth it or not. So it takes AA batteries instead of being rechargeable, but you plug this receiver into a USB socket and then you can see a live feed on the app and then save any clips that you want to keep to your phone. And it also has the two-way audio so you can speak to people at your door. If you want to grab one, I will put the link down below. I think they're on sale at the moment, so have a look.